Hello kid friends, Anke here with you. Welcome to Mixed Media Monday. My November kits arrived a few days ago and I'm excited to create my first layout using them. I start with one of my favorite papers, the Hippie Club exclusive Wish Season Christmas Cheer paper. I cut out the part with the different blue tones that match my photo perfectly. Before I adhere the paper, I'll add some texture to my background using the stencil which is included in the September color kit and modeling paste. Once the paste is dry, I adhere the paper. Inspired by the white dots on the paper, I'll add some hand-stitched elements. I pierce holes first and then I stitch along the line using a silver thread. I cut different leaves from white cardstock using the metal dies which are included in the October kits. Now I heat emboss the leaves using the silver tinsel embossing powder which you can find in the November color kit. place my photos and arrange the embossed leaves into clusters. Then I embellish one photo with one of the exclusive chipboard frames which are included in the November embellishment kit, and pick out some die cuts which you can find in the November main kit. For my title, I choose one of the Hip Kit Club exclusive Wish Season chipboard phrase stickers, which is also from the November main kit. Now I combine a bow from the cardstock stickers pack, which is included in the November Pocket Life kit, a piece of the silver thread and one of the die cuts to create a hanging ornament. I continue embellishing the layout with more die cuts and a chipboard sticker. The chipboard stickers are included in the November Pocket Life kit. I adhere the word die cuts and one of the puffy tab stickers, which are included in the November embellishment kit. add some of the floral die cuts, which you can also find in the November embellishment kit, some of the exclusive silver foiled chipboard stars from the November Pocket Life kit, and finally some of the silver glittered animal dots, which you can find in the November main kit. And I finish off with some tiny snowflake die cuts. Here's the finished layout. I hope you like it and enjoyed watching the video. Thanks so much for joining me today.